For over 5 decades, one Bollywood couple has quietly stood the test of time, Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan. Married for 52 years, their love story began not with glitz or glamour, but with admiration and deep respect. Jaya first saw Big B on the sets of Guddi. She was instantly drawn to him, not just because of his towering presence, but because he was the son of legendary poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan. She once said in an old interview, "I was impressed by him and somewhat in awe. I fell in love with him very soon." But it was on the sets of Ek Nazar in 1972 where love truly bloomed. The two tied the knot the following year in 1973, and what followed was not just a marriage, but a lifelong partnership rooted in understanding. Amitabh once opened up about their bond, calling himself fortunate to have married someone from the same profession. Being actors, they understood the chaos of film sets, the demands of fame, and the sacrifices the industry often asks of its people. "She knows what the film industry is all about, it's a boon to have her," he said. But their relationship, like any other, came with its share of ups and downs. Amitabh described Jaya as embarrassingly straight, someone who always spoke her mind. But that's the trait he admired. He never asked her to change, and she never tried to change him. When he needed space, she gave it. Their bond, he said, mirrored the relationship between his own parents, rooted in mutual respect. At the time of their marriage, Jaya was already a star, while Amitabh was still finding his place. Yet, what truly connected them was their shared simplicity. Big B admitted he never cared for extravagant gifts or grand gestures, and Jaya felt the same. "She's very simple and down to earth." Away from all this, he said. In an industry often questioned for its fragile relationships, Amitabh once boldly said, "You say that marriages in this industry don't last. But how do you put me in the same category?" 52 years later, they remain one of Bollywood's most iconic and quietly enduring couples. If you admire timeless love stories and real connections, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bollywood 24/7, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on your favorite stars.